Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To open our class, reciting by basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, good morning everybody. How's life today? Are you fine? Today we are going to discuss with the chapter 1, the material. I want like to give you some material content with the offer and suggestion. Jadi hari ini kita memulai pembahasan bab pertama, dimana kemarin kita sudah menjelaskan beberapa bab di semester 1, yakni ada 5 bab yang nantinya kita akan bahas dan diskusikan. Oleh karena itu, untuk hari ini kita memulai dengan bab yang pertama, chapter 1, yakni materinya berkaitan dengan offer and suggestion. Pada kompetensi dasar di sini ada 3.1. Kalau kalian membawa buku paketnya, silakan kalian buka pada halaman 1 terkait kompetensi dasar yang nantinya kita akan pelajari. Menerapkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan, teks interaksi, transaksional lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Perhatikan unsur kebahasaannya. Jadi ada beberapa modal yang tentunya kalian gunakan ketika menggunakan offer and suggestion. Offer, ya, yakni diantaranya should and can. Should bisa, can juga bisa. Selanjutnya 4.1, menyusun teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis pendek dan sederhana yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai dengan konteksnya. Jadi pada bab ini kita fokuskan pada kegiatan tawar-menawar, jadi terkait saran ataupun tawar, offer. Jadi offer, menawarkan sesuatu. Kalau suggestion itu memberikan sebuah saran. Di sini kalau kalian buka bukunya pada halaman 2 itu ada sebuah percakapan. Conversation 1 with a partner, lead the conversation, give the below. Ini ada contoh percakapan, tentunya menggunakan suggest and offer. Ya, di situ. Hi John, hi Jane, what are you doing? Nothing much. Would you like to go to the movie? I would like to, but right now. How about the afternoon? Great. What movie do you want to watch? Let's watch and read. Nah, di situ ada beberapa contoh percakapan terkait offer and suggestion. Nah, untuk kali ini ada beberapa materi yang perlu kalian catat sehingga nanti akan mempermudah kalian untuk mempraktekkan, untuk membuat sebuah dialog yang berkaitan dengan offer and suggestion. Jadi kali ini tugasnya mencatat materi terkait the definition of the suggest and offer, pengertian dari suggest and offer, and then social function, ya, jadi fungsinya untuk apa pada kata tawar dan saran, and then for the example, contohnya, ya. Di situ materi-materinya silakan dicatat. Nanti kalau sudah mencatat silakan difoto dan dikirim melalui Google Classroom, ya. I think enough for today. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan? Jika ada pertanyaan silakan WA ke saya, ya. Barangkali ada yang kurang jelas. Jadi tugasnya mencatat materi-materi yang penting pada bab yang pertama. Oke, silakan ditonton video terkait pembahasan materi berikut ini.
This lesson we will learn about offer and suggestion expressions. Do you know what is offer? Well, Offer means to give something physical or abstract to someone, which can be taken as a gift or a trade. Jadi, offer atau tawaran itu berarti kita memberikan sesuatu kepada orang lain atau kita menawarkan suatu produk berupa barang atau jasa ya. For your information, offer can be given in terms of food, money, help, solutions, friendship, or a bargain. It can be taken or refused. These are the examples of offering. Would you like to eat ramen? This is how we offer someone a food. Let's see the second example. How about I help you with this coffee machine? This is how we offer someone a help. The other example is, I will do half of your work if you like. This is the way of offering help or offering solutions if your friend cannot do his work alone, maybe because it is too hard and beyond his capability. Next, this is also the example of offering something. When you go to the mall, the shopkeeper will offer you his or her products. As example, would you like to try this new makeup, Miss? And if you buy this makeup, you will get free coffee. Ya, contoh ini sering kita temukan dalam pusat perbelanjaan ya. Penjaga toko atau karyawan mall akan menawarkan produk mereka dengan iming-iming diskon atau bonus tentunya. Dalam ekspresi menawarkan sesuatu atau offering something juga bisa berupa tawaran solusi ya, atau offering solutions yang biasanya kita sebut juga offering suggestion. Well students, now let's watch the example of offering suggestions in daily conversation.
Suggestion.
Hi, Freya. Why are you sad?
Yes, Emery. I'm so sad because I'm failed again on my biology test.
Come up, Freya. Don't cry. Tell me what made you hard to do the test.
I helped my mother at her bakery until late at night and I forgot to study. Since I was tired, I just directly slept when I arrived at home.
I see. I think you should focus with your study. Helping your mother is good, but you should remember that you have responsibility to study. Well, let me help you. We can learn the material again. Will you have a remedial test today?
No, I will have it tomorrow.
Alright, we have much time to learn the material again. Let's go to the library.
Okay. Thank you for helping me, Emery. Now, I have understood about the material for biology test tomorrow.
My pleasure, Freya.
You are very smart. You should join the scholarship test next month, Emery.
Yeah, I will join it.
Hey, what about eating at the new place near our school?
Alright. I'm hungry too.
Okay, let's go.
What would you like to order?
I think we should try the special menu for today. There is spaghetti meatballs.
Sure. What about drinking mango juice?
Sorry, but I really want strawberry juice.
It's okay. Well, I will order this for you.
Thank you.
Let's discuss the expressions of offering suggestion in the daily conversation.
Well, students, let me explain the expressions of offering suggestion on the previous conversation. On the first scene, there are two students, Emery and Freya. Freya is sad because she was failed on the biology test. Then, Emery gives her suggestions. Now, let's take a look to the board. I think you should focus with your study. Helping your mother is good, but you should remember that you have responsibility to study. Well, let me help you. We can learn the material again. Let's go to the library.
Nah, itu tadi video terkait materi pada bab yang pertama. Sudah jelas ya? Silahkan dicatat dan sudah dikirim, difoto dan dikirim melalui Google Classroom. I think enough for today. To close our meeting, reciting by Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. See you next time, and don't forget, always keep clean and keep safe. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.